How to turn off automatic update in Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's get started. First, you need to go to Windows search icon at bottom left. Search for services and open it. Now you just simply need to scroll down and find out Windows Update in the list. It will take a few time, so here it is. Now you simply need to double click on it to open the Properties tab. Under the Startup type, you need to select the arrow and click on Disable and click on Apply button and then click on OK button. Now on the same menu, you need to simply double click on it to open the Properties tab and go to Recovery section at top right. Under First Failure, you need to click on the drop down arrow and click on Take No Action and click on Apply button and click on OK button. Once you have disabled automatic update actions, press Windows key plus R to open run command. Then your run command will appear where you need to type gpedit.msc and click on OK button. Let's expand this window and you need to look for the option of local computer policy. Simply, you need to go to Administrative Template, expand it. Now look for the option of Windows Update. Expand it and go to Windows Component if you don't find directly. Scroll down and look for Windows Update on your right side. So expand this section and you need to check for the option of Manage Any User Experience and look for Configure Automatic Updates. Now a window will appear where you need to select the Disable button at bottom left and click on Apply button and OK. And with this, you are good to go. You will successfully turn off automatic updates in Windows 11. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.